Scott.
Okay, so we're making a cargo net. I've done this enough times where I think I can share with you how I was able to do it, because I can't find any of this online anywhere except for 2 videos, and I'll link that in the description just to give them some credit. So camera person, why don't you come over here and see if we can show people how to do this. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ropes going down, and the rope going across just goes back and forth and back and forth. So we've got eye splices at the top, and then 1 eye splice over here, and then it just keeps going back and forth. And you'll see how we run this rope through. First, we count down how many fibers. I think we've been doing 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I go under 6 and 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm going to go under these 2. So we're going to untwist this rope a little bit. Just get your finger under there, untwist it. So we're going to go under these 2 with this rope all the way through. And I'm going to do all of these 4 ropes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go under 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Under 6 and 7. And so again, just unravel the rope just a little bit so you give room to fit this through. 1, 2, 3, 6 and 7. How you doing there, camera person?
Good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, just untwist that a little bit. Slip that right through. Now we're going to pull the whole thing through at once.
There we go.
Now, you can see they're starting to take shape. Make sure we get this nice and tight so that we know where to start. So you kind of just come in a straight line down from where you were on the previous row. I like to count the number of fibers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down to number 6. So, same thing, except we're going to do with this rope, untwist it a little bit, and I'm going to put it through just under 1 this time instead of under 2. So this is important. You want to go down through like that. Pull that through. And it looks like a big knot here, but you have to make sure that you put this all the way through, or else it's not going to look just right. I know it's tough to see here because I got my hands in front of it. There you go, so it looks just like the top one. So again, we just do that all the way across. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I went under number 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to go under this one. So scooch it over here and then untwist it a little bit. And that's where you're going to put the rope through, right here. Down through the top. And again, make sure you get it all the way through. You have to push all the way through, kind of roll it in there. There we go. So it lays nice and flat. That way you've got a nice 90-degree section. Now, you can see maybe I've picked the wrong one to go through. You can just pull this out, no problem, and skip over to the next one. It's not going to damage the rope. It will twist right back up. So the next one, I think we're going to count 7. We're going to go under 7. But I think that won't be enough. So maybe we'll do one more. Twist this open. Thank you, camera person. Did you get a bug?
Yeah.
Pull that right through. That one was easy. All right. Now, some people will like to do this with a carrick bend or a carrick knot, but that doesn't seem to work with these big synthetic ropes. This is a 1-inch polypropylene. All right, and that's really all there is to it. You just go back and forth, and once we do these two, we'll just pull it tight, wrap it around, and go back through the other way. There you have it. So let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see if I can help you out. Thanks, folks.